Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's going to be a driving video. Here I am at the Water's Edge exit, and what you see in front of you is Eastport Town Square. And I wanted to give you an idea of how Eastport is doing, what the status is, as well as I wanted to drive you through a new village that not many people are talking about. That is Eastport right in front of you, right there. You can see the awesome flowers. That looks like it's a village's health system building right over there. This is Central Parkway. That is Eastport right there. And off to the right are your Michael Villas, right behind the wall. That is the Michael Villas. And one thing I noticed about Eastport Town Square is that they have a lot of amenities over there. They have a softball court. I think they have pickleball courts. And I think it's unique that they're combining Eastport, which is kind of like a town square, with the amenities. This is a better shot of it at the amenities right here. That is Eastport there. And right beyond the green fence, you will see amenities. I think that's very unique. Right there is pickleball courts. Looks like they're going to have beach volleyball. There are softball fields. And they're located adjacent to Eastport, the town square. That's kind of unique. I'm trying to think of any other town square where the amenities are located adjacent to them. And I cannot think of any. So I think that is unique. Let me know in the comments below what you think. You can see they are building here. There is vast fields of sand. They are excavating and grading the land, getting ready to build more homes. It looks like a dust storm over there. Look at real closely. It is windy. The wind gust just kicked up. It looks like we're gonna have a thunderstorm. And you can see the dust storms forming. And that's one of the reasons why I say if you buy a home in the southern part of the villages, you need to be patient. You will have dust and dirt blowing around for quite some time. I am heading east-northeast on Bexley Trail. This is the neighborhood I wanted to show you. Now I'm on McNeil Drive, and this is the village of Edenfield. I haven't heard very many people talk about Edenfield. That is your turnpike over there, friends. That's a golf course as well. So they are developing the village of Edenfield right over there. That is where the dust storm is. That is amazing. Lots of sand being blown around. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. You can forward the videos to your friends if you wish. There are golfers on the golf course. They might get rained on. What a sight this is. Mass development. Let me know in the comments below if you feel the village of Edenfield is going to be a good place to live or not. Now I'm on the corner of Corbin Trail and McNeil Drive. You have homes over there being built. New homes being built over here. This is a recreation center. Well Point. There is your Well Point Recreation Center right there. This is your new Street of Dreams, your 56 model homes. Maybe I can take a drive through that neighborhood and show you what it looks like before the rains come. This is Rusa Run. I've made several videos. This is the 56 model home neighborhood right here. It's come a long way. 56 model homes. They are not calling this the Street of Dreams. These are all tilt wall constructed homes. Wonder what they're going to do with these lots here. I think they're going to make that a parking lot. That's my guess. You'll be able to park cars and golf carts in there. There are your Street of Dream homes. They still are not quite ready. Now I'm on the corner of Whitloop and Rusa Run. This neighborhood looks almost ready for guests to tour the homes. Now I'm going to take a right and go down Steiger Street. These are more model homes on the left. Model homes on the right as well. These are model homes right there. There's another parking lot. And this is a neighborhood of designer homes that's adjacent to the model homes. There are your Kristen Villas. Those are accommodation homes. I did videos on the Kristen villas already before as well. What are you waiting for? You have a lot of homes for sale in the villages. And here's one for rent. Designer home for rent right there, friends. It's starting to rain heavy. I'm gonna end the video. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.